Do you ever fail at something for like a year and then you have this flash of random insight and you're like, a child could do it? I'm going to show you how to give polygons an inner glow in ArcGIS Online. You can even add patterns to this effect. Oh, and they don't even have to be faded. But I like that faded look, with or without a pattern. If you don't want to watch the rest of this video, here are the steps. Make two versions of your layer. The bottom layer has whatever fill you want. The top layer has the thickest outline you can give it, with no fill. Give the outline version of your layer a destination in blend mode. Put these two layers into a group to isolate that blend mode's effect. Optionally, give the outline layer a blur effect. And if you're still here, I want to thank you for taking this journey with me. Here is a USA Parks layer I got from the glorious Living Atlas. And you can style this however you like. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a semi-transparent fill. However you style this layer is what will be revealed in the inner ribbon later on. And to help keep things organized, I'm just going to rename this layer Fill. Say, quick question, how many of you have accidentally clicked remove instead of rename? Oh man. Next, I'll duplicate this layer and name it something else so I can keep it straight. Oh, I don't know, something like edge fade. This topmost layer is going to be a masking hack. I'm interested in all those pixels around the perimeter of our polygon. So I'll give this topmost layer no fill and a mega thick outline width. And this outline's color doesn't matter, but I'll just make it black for our sake. So here's what we've got so far. Two copies of our layer. The top copy has a thick outline and no fill, and the bottom copy has whatever fill you want. Time to make that top layer our mask. I'll open up its properties and then check out the blend modes. There's a group of blend modes in ArcGIS Online called compositing. Compositing is like masking, cookie cutters. And I'll choose destination in. This only keeps the pixels that overlap this layer, which is awesome. The only problem is I've lost my base map too. I need to isolate these layers into a group so that the blend mode only affects the underlying polygon fill layer. So I'll grab that top outline layer, create a group, and then drag the bottom fill layer into that group on the bottom. This quarantines our outline layer's clipping effect to just the fill layer. Okay, now we can make our inner ribbon thing have a gently faded in appearance. So within this group, I'll select the topmost layer, the outline layer, and give it an effect of blur. And the result is this beautiful inner glow. But it's better than an inner glow because you can do things an inner glow can't, like add texture. And this is why it pays to hang in there and actually watch the video. Because our inner fade effect is really just a masking of the fill, we can make our fill as complex as we want. So I'll open up the style for this bottom polygon layer and choose hatched fill. I like these diagonal lines. And I'll come back to the purple outline, 2-point thickness, and purple hatched fill, 2-point thickness, with a 4-point separation. And the result is a charming, delicate, useful reference for a polygon fill without all the fill. Try it out with the various landscape fills. It's a lot of fun. And you can mix and match them, why not? Can you use it for thematic maps? Sure, any polygon layer. Thanks for watching.